Hi, this is Miss J. Remember as you watch this video that you're looking to learn and you're looking to tell me what I can do better. Make sure you keep your notebook handy because there are some notes that you will have to take as you watch the video. Thank you. This is called the division algorithm. It just means a way we do division. Today we're looking at 4 steps to do long division. Make sure you have your notebook handy because these you need to write down. Our first step is to divide and write the number. That's just my abbreviation for number. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need a little extra time to write down your notes. Our next step is to multiply and then write a number. Our third step is to subtract and write a number again. Our fourth step is to bring down the next number and then we start the whole process over again. This is an easy visual that I'd like you to copy down to help you remember each of the 4 steps. Now we're going to get into some examples. I don't need you to write anything down. I just want you to watch and make sure that you're understanding. Okay, so our first one is Gavin bought 3 go-karts from Shayla for a total of $852. They all cost the same amount. What is the price of each? So first we set up the problem. Make sure you have your dollar sign in there. Next, we see how many times it would go in. We multiply 3 times 2 and we write our number underneath. We see that 8 minus 6 is 2 and we leave that there. Next, we bring down our 5. We see how many times 3 will go into 25, which is 8 times. Then we multiply 3 times 8 and get 24. We subtract 24 from 25, get a 1, and bring down our 2. Next, we see that 3 goes into 12 4 times, and we subtract with no remainder. We can always check division by multiplying. So we just do the opposite. We take our answer, which is $284, and multiply it by 3. We get $852, so we know we did the division correctly. Check. This is our next word problem. Jade and David are planning an island trip for 234 people. Everyone will travel on 5 boats. Can each boat carry the same number of people? First, we take the number of people, which is 234, and we try to divide them into our 5 boats. Since 5 can't go into 2, we try to get 5 to go into 23, which it does 4 times. After we multiply and subtract, we bring down our 4. Then we see that 5 goes into 34 6 times and subtract 30. Since we have nothing else to bring down, we have a remainder of 4. So now we go back to our original question. We see that each boat cannot carry the same number of people, so our answer is no. As always, we can check division with multiplication. We start with our answer, 46, and multiply it by 5. After we get 230, though, we're not done. We need to add a remainder. So 230 plus 4 is 234. And that is correct. Check. This is a type of missing number problem that we need to use division to solve. Remember that when we have a number and a letter next to each other, it means we're going to multiply them. So we have to divide 365 by 5 to find out what n equals. Our answer is 73 with no remainder, so n equals 73. This is our last example. Phoenix, Kyle, and Joshua earned $8.85 selling cookies. If they divide the money evenly, how much will they each receive? Remember that when you divide using money, you always need your dollar sign, and your decimal point should go above the decimal point in the dividend. Thankfully, this divides evenly, so our answer is $2.95. That decimal point is really important. And that's our last example. Brayden and everyone else, make sure you write down your suggestions for me to talk about in class tomorrow. Think about what will make these videos better. All right? See you later. Bye.